Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Allergies. Ingredients: 1 cup of raw local honey, 1/4 cup nettle leaf, 1 tablespoon turmeric root, 1 tablespoon of ginger root, 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 cups of water. Instructions: peel and grate the ginger and turmeric. In a medium saucepan, add 2 cups of water, the nettle leaf, turmeric, and ginger. Bring this to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. When it's done, strain the mixture to remove the solids with a cheesecloth into a bowl. While the liquid is still warm, not hot, stir in the apple cider vinegar and honey. Combine well and ensure the honey is completely dissolved. Pour this syrup into a clean glass jar with a lid and store in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 weeks. How to use it: take 1 to 2 tablespoons of this syrup by mouth each morning during allergy season or all year round to help manage symptoms. You can also add it to hot water or tea. Note: if you suffer from severe allergies, are pregnant, nursing, or under medical treatment for other conditions, consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment regimen. How does it work? Local raw honey introduces small amounts of allergens to your body. This potentially helps you build up immunity to local allergens that tend to bother you. Nettle leaf has quercetin, which is a natural antihistamine that reduces the body's allergic responses. Ginger contains gingerols and chagols that help relieve congestion and soothe irritation, while apple cider vinegar has acetic acid that helps to break down mucus and supports the lymphatic drainage. This allergy syrup can be a beneficial daily routine during allergy season. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.